All right, guys, it's about 5:15 on Monday, January 30th, 2023. So this is the wire we just set up this morning, and it has like a eighth of an inch or quarter inch of ice on there. Let's see if we can zoom in on it. And the grass is just covered in ice. Hello, sheepy. How are you doing? Her fur is all icy. We had rain and freezing temperatures. And oh boy. Look at that. Rain and freezing temperatures. So the ice, the grass is covered in ice, and the wire is sagging very deeply because of the ice. So let's see if you can tell how much ice is on this wire. That's a good quarter inch to either side. Yeah, there's just ice all over the wire. I probably should have put the cows in to the wooded area where they can take shelter behind the trees at least, but the wind isn't blowing at all. This is rain. They're not happy because the grass is frozen. What about right here? It's not frozen here? Come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh boy. 24 is looking really bad. There's icicles on her. Hey, number 20. I don't got any food. Nope, no food. I should feed these guys. So this is the pasture there this morning. They ate some of it. I don't think they're really happy. So we opened up shop. We got it running about 10:30. We had some problems with our regulator, and I just decided to call it quits about 1:30. I was freezing my butt off inside of there. It's just cold. It's not that the temperature is cold, it's wet and cold. That's the problem. So, yeah. Daniel, don't roll it up. You got to get the ice off first, Daniel. There's a little trick to getting the ice off. I'll show you guys. Yeah, don't roll up the wire when it has ice on it. Here. Take one of these guys. Here, let me show you. You just bend the wire, the ice will come off. So, let's do a one that I won't use, like this one right here, right? Get it on there, and then just go down and bend the wire. The ice will come right off. Yeah, let me hold it. Is it locked in place? There he goes. Better yet, hey, I'm just gonna use the fence. There. Let me do that as well. The other wire. Hey, Daniel. Daniel, make sure that you bend the wire when you go down it. Okay? This is a lot of fun to do this. The fence is shorting out over there. It's probably just an anthill. Oof. I'm trying to. Yeah, let's just do that. Come on, get on there. Get on there. There we go. All right. Let's go. There we go. Of course, the ice is getting into my boots. It's filling my boots with ice. Oof, in the face. What if I did it like this? Like rock backwards or something. I want to kind of bend it. There we go. That's better. Use my body and my hand. There we go. There. The problem is this wire will cut through this plastic eventually. How's it doing? It's doing okay. We try this one now. Get it behind my back. You don't have to do this. I'm just gonna. The weather's gonna warm up by Thursday, so. I'm not gonna do this. Thursday it's gonna get to like 50 degrees. I can't get it up. There we go. Daniel, come on back. We'll just let it warm up, okay? This happened last year too. A little bit more severe last year. I had hay for the cows though. That's a difference for last year. Let's see how the cows are doing now. They're probably done complaining. A little bit of a cattle trail here. Ugh. It's just been like icky like this all day. No sun. Just cold. Constant cold. Tomorrow the high is 30 degrees and the low is 30 degrees. So, yeah. That's what tomorrow is. Here, let's see if I can do this one. And get on there. You're charged wire, so I don't want to. Yeah, in the mouth. So what happens is the ice puts weight on that wire, pulls it down. So it's quite a bit of tension actually. Let's do it again. Get on. Yeah. That wasn't the best one. Anyway, that's what we got. I tried rolling up the wire this morning that had ice on it. It just took up more space on the reel. It really didn't work well, you know. So those are our cold cows. They're perfectly warm. One of the reasons why I know they're warm is because if I had ice on my skin, I would feel very different than I do. These guys, it's almost like they barely notice it. It probably itches a little bit. That's probably it. Hello, my oldest calf. It's just ice. It's like, guys that grow big beards and they go out on a cold day and they get icicles on their beard. That's all it is. You know, the fact that the icicles don't melt says that their fur and the skin is doing a good job of not transferring heat to the outside world. And so they're staying warm. This is 24. Oh, that's wet actually. It is melting. That's not a good sign, is it? I'm told that the one thing the cows can't really stand is mud. If they're muddy, they're not happy. The water just rolls off their back. 21. The water just rolls off their back. But the mud gets under their fur. Makes them cold. So, all right, guys. It'll get warmer on Thursday. It'll warm up. Okay? Enjoy your ice cream snacks. All right, have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.